Today we're going to ride to my friend's house with my friend. I'm behind because I got stopped by a stop sign.
We're almost there. Your house. Let's hit a quick wheelie, first person. Never mind.
Okay, guys, we're getting kind of close.
Gotta go past them. I'm in 0.5, so stuff looks farther than my face reveal at 200 subscribers too. By the way, I'm gonna say again, the collab I'm doing it with is my friend, and his account name is e-bike wheelie holic. Henry, what's yours? Evaprix is my friend's. Go sub to him too. Sub to me too so I can get a face reveal. I'm saving up for another e-bike. I don't know which one I should get. But like, the range for me is like 1,500. I'm trying to like save up, so yeah. I might like save up for a 2DO or something, I don't know. We're not going full speed right now. I'm probably gonna do a pros and cons, probably a video, and probably a short too. So just go on my channel and watch that when it gets uploaded. Don't go. We're almost there. Car! Had to take a little risky move right there. There's some dumb people in this town. So, a lot of people here, some like e-bikes and e-scooters, some don't and try to run us over sometimes. Yeah, we're not going full speed because my friend's e-bike is really low. His scooter e-bike, I call them e-bikes because like, it's like a mix. Yeah, thank you for the like 1K views on the e-bike holic video. We should get more of those. And also, I have an editing account, and I'll put it on the screen like right now. Alright, bye.